Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're learning more about the Espresso Martini. This is perhaps the most known of all the contemporary classic cocktails to emerge from the 1990s. The cocktail as we know it today started with a far more fittingly concept called vodka espresso and served on the rocks. Created in 1983 by the legendary bartender Dick Bradsell at the Soho Brasserie at Old Compton Street in London. Popular theories mention that this drink was created for a celebrity guest, said to be a top model, who attended to his bar and asked, "Make me something that's gonna wake me up and fuck me up." The coffee machine was right beside Dick Bradsell's bar station, and back in those days, vodka was all people were drinking. Dick believed that guests should be able to go into a bar, relax, have a good time, drink a bit too much, and what they did or said in that bar should stay in that bar. And as a good bartender, Dick kept his guests' secrets. As the 80s turned into 90s, people were still drinking vodka. However, this was the decade of the Neo-Martini. Any cocktail served in a V-shaped glass and based on vodka was considered a martini. In 1997, when working at March Bar in London, a fellow bartender named Vasco served Dick's vodka espresso cocktail straight up in a martini glass. As such, Neo-Martini's bargoers wanted and ordered, and eventually this turned popular. Therefore, and after some adjustments, Dick came up with an improved recipe and a better name for this drink. Like any other cocktail, the better the ingredients, the better the final result. So to make this drink, you'll need good vodka, and most importantly, freshly made espresso coffee. The crema on top of the espresso is essential to the success and appearance of the finished cocktail. Even though it might not sound right to pour a steaming hot espresso coffee into a shaker, that would be the way to get the best results, rather than using cold or iced coffee. The amount of sugar required to balance this cocktail is very much down to individual taste, but Dick Bradsell's original recipe included sugar syrup. Again, depending on what type of coffee used and its bitterness, you'd need more or less sugar for the right balance. So, how to make the famous espresso martini? For the classic recipe, use the following ingredients: 35 milliliters vanilla vodka, 15 milliliters Kahlua, 10 milliliters of simple syrup, and 1 shot of espresso. Start by adding all the ingredients to a shaker. Add cubed ice and shake it well for proper emulsion, and fine strain it into a martini glass and garnish it with 3 coffee beans. You'll find different twists on this recipe all around the world, using different styles of liqueurs and spirits to give it different nuances of flavor and character. However, the classic espresso martini is equally simple as it is delicious. That's everything for today. Now it's time to enjoy your drink. I hope you have enjoyed our video, and please don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel to stay tuned for the best bartending videos coming soon. Thanks for watching. Cheers!